Hello foodies! Today I'll show you how to make Kobe beef pepper fry using some legendary spices from the South Indian states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Kobe beef from Japan is one of the most expensive beef of the world, and rightfully so because it is tender, delicious and full of umami flavor. For this recipe, I'll be using 500 grams of Kobe beef strips. I have trimmed the fat, which I'll use for another recipe. I'll also need 1 thinly sliced red onion, some slit green chillies, 1 tablespoon each of chopped ginger and garlic, 1 sliced red bell pepper, some fresh curry leaves, 1 tablespoon Chettinad curry powder, a pinch of Travancore Nutmeg powder, some crushed Tellecherry Black Peppercorns. It's important that you crush the peppercorns coarsely like I am showing here. Put the cooking pot on the flame and heat some oil in it. Add the sliced onions and green chilies and fry on high heat for 2 minutes. Then add the curry leaves and stir them in. Then add the chopped ginger and garlic and fry for 2 minutes. Then add the Kobe beef strips to the pot and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Add salt according to your taste, the crushed Tellecherry black pepper powder and mix everything together. Add the Chettinad curry powder and mix it in. Then add the nutmeg powder, around half teaspoon, followed by the sliced red bell pepper, and stir fry for another minute. Then add a bit of water to deglaze the pot. Cover and cook on medium flame for 3 minutes and then on high heat for 2 more minutes. And there you go, our Kobe beef pepper fry is done. Add a bit more Tellecherry black pepper powder to hit the peppery note and mix it in. Then add the freshly chopped coriander leaves, stir it in, and a divine and delicious Kobe beef pepper fry is ready. Let's plate it up. Garnish it with a bit more coriander and serve it ideally with rice or parathas. Kobe beef pepper fry is a true gourmet beef recipe. The tenderness and texture of Kobe beef and the robust, flavorful South Indian spices give this dish an extraordinary, heavenly quality. Give it a try and enjoy.